Blessings and salutations, wonderful Aries and across watchers who love you. I am Sunny, the Urban Tarot, and this is a general read for December 7th to the 14th, 2021 for Aries. Um, Thank you for the view. Just for checking me out. I appreciate you. If you enjoy the vibe, like, share, subscribe. Even better for me, even better for the channel to grow positively. I thank you. Anything you want to know about me is in the description or the about section. I want to first give thanks to God, angels, ancestors, spirit guides. Show me what I need to see for Aries. What's the message for Aries? High is good. December 7th. The energy for December 7th to the 14th, 2021. What's the message? Okay. What's this? We got the moon, page of cups. That's too many cards. Too many. We're going to get another one. Please, for Aries. You know what's going to come. What's going to come. Thank you. Please. What is that? Okay, hold on. Message for Aries, please. For the highest. Okay. It's filling my lap. Ace of Cups. Somebody is love on their mind. Love as an offer. Love to give. Oh. What we got here? Oh. What the? I said, what the? The Ten of Swords and the Three of Swords? What the? What? Message for Aries. Queen of Pentacles. Alrighties. Okay. Aries. It seems the past energy with some betrayal. Yeah. Some stabbing in the back. Some really untrustworthy energies. Currently, it's the Three of Swords, so you was not even wrong for just that betrayal was real because it went. They go to Ten of Swords, he go to Three of Swords. Like, yeah, somebody definitely cut pretty deep. But where I'm blown away is that there's this Ace of Cups right there with the Three of Swords. So I'm like, I'm not sure if that means that, with the betrayal, you're willing to forgive and just give some love. Or, I don't know if, because I see this Three of Swords in your current energy of where there's definitely a heartbreak. But the Ace of Cups is really trying to rebuild or either ask forgiveness or give forgiveness or give love somewhere else. Because there go the Queen of Pentacles of this growing, nurturing, giving stability of growth. And this is the Hangman at the bottom of this deck. So you're observing, it seems to be observing the fact that there's something else for you because you was betrayed and now you feel like you're ready to move on. But you just want to make sure from this place of sitting still and observing, you want to make sure that love goes to the right place. I see. Let's see. Transparency, please. Hold on. We're going to ask for transparency. Ooh, what is that? Taurus. Could be a Taurus, but also the Taurus. What is the one that the Taurus is on? with the Arcanas, what is the Taurus? Sheesh. Is the Taurus the Hierophant? I think so. Yeah. Yes, please. Transparency for Aries, please. There we go. Oh, you want your happiness. Yeah, that betrayal and that heartbreak. You're like, no, I'm going to go from where that type of energy is not allowed. Okay, we see fire. Can I have one more, please? One more, please, for Aries. I want some more transparency. You just need a little transparency for Aries, for the highest good, December 7th to the 14th. Let's see, Capricorn. One more, please. Oh, that's a star. One more. There you go. There you go. Capricorn, devil. Yeah, obsessive, toxic. Yep. So it looks as if there's a knowing in the transparency that your happiness is being blocked, or your happiness is like a knowing. You know where the betrayal came from. The sun with the transparency, you know your happiness is coming away from that heartbreak. Because with the devil, you're obsessing, it seems like, over to getting this Queen of Pentacles. You know, it's like more or less, it's like you have to get away from that to the point where it's like an obsession to get to that good place. Because that betrayal is draining. You're going to ask for some clarity. Clarity, please, for Aries. Get some clarity on that Ten of Swords. Just clarification on that Ten of Swords. For Pisces, I'm about to say Aries. Excuse me. Aries. What's this? Five of Wands. Yeah, too much competition. Too many busy. Too much fighting. Too much. Yeah, what we got on that Three of Swords? Death. End of that. Headed towards your sunshine and happiness. Can I have one on that Queen of Pentacles, please? For Aries. Too many. What's that? Too many again. I see the Queen of Swords. What is the club? Sugar, honey, iced tea. Okay. I see the sun is face up. Everything. Oh, and I see, what else it says? Seven of Swords is face up. Yeah, definitely some betrayal. Definitely lots. Oh, I'm sorry, that wasn't the seven. That's Eight of Swords. I'm sorry. Yeah. You're coming away from that backstabbing energy because you see your happiness, and the sun came out twice. It's like you have to come, you really feel like you're just done with that swords and competitive and deceptive energy. Here's Two of Pentacles at the bottom of this deck is trying a new way. You want to do things a new way. You want things to go a little bit, no. Basically, you've seen the other way was too much. So now you're just really ready to just dead it and start a new way. and try this Two of Pentacles. And we're going to ask for advice and outcome for Aries and the highest good. Five of Swords. Here go these fives. My word. Yeah. What's this? Advice and outcome for Aries, please. Too many. I see the Queen of Wands again. Ooh, sheesh. Okay. So Five of Swords, the Star, and the Empress. Basically, advice and outcome is definitely leaving the fighting behind. You know, it's them fives and that past energy is draining. It's not changing. It's definitely wearing to the point where you're gathering up, yeah, them three swords, and you're going about your business. But it's the fact that you're holding on still to some swords. You're holding on to some three swords, which is still a lot of pain. And it's understandable. But the center is the star, your wish fulfillment, your happiness, your balance, and your element. With the imprints of growth, you're heading towards growth, you're heading towards balance, you're heading towards new things growing, multitudes once the swords are dropped. Now, this bottom of this deck is the Page of Swords, which is cute because I said the swords have to be dropped, and you're like, okay, I'm going to drop all of them except for this one sword, and which makes sense. You know, it's definitely going out with, it's defensive, but it's definitely going out in the world to try. It's going out in its energy on a quest to learn, to get knowledge on how to do things better, how to make that, to get that sunshine, how to get the growth, and that's the direction you're going in, it seems. Like with this Ace of Cups, with this Page and the Two Pentacles, it's baby steps, but it is the steps that's going to turn into leaps and bounds, because what's to come is the Star, the Empress, when certain burdens are left behind. I hope this message resonates to you, Aries, to your highest good. I hope that everything and along this journey works the best for you. Till next time, love and light.